I'm Chef Diego, and today I will be cooking for you a ham, cheese, and egg sandwich. The ingredients are cheese whiz, ham, cheese, a piece of bread, eggs, a mixing bowl, pan, frying pan, and something to mix with. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is slice the ham. Then we crack the egg open and put it into the mixing bowl. And then put it in the trash. Now I will put the ham into the mixing bowl. After that, we will mix the egg yolk with the ham. Next, we take the pan and put a little bit in the frying. Now, we have to turn the stove on and leave it in medium. Also, we pour the eggs and ham into the pan. Meanwhile we wait, I will put the cheese whiz and the cheese. Now I will open the cheese and slice it in half to put it in the bread. Now we make sure that the other side is good too by flipping it. Now we flip it again so it could fit perfectly into the sandwich. And after that, we put it inside. Now I'll put it in the toaster and let it toast for a couple of minutes. Now I'll take the spatula and put the sandwich in the plate. And if you want to, you can add your choice of drinks. I like passion fruit juice, so I will add a little bit. Now that I have everything ready, I will cut my sandwich in half and enjoy it. Finally, that I have cut it, I will enjoy my meal. I would really recommend this food because it is really easy to do, and if you are hungry, it's good because you can do it fast and it is really delicious.
Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial of how to make the best pancakes ever. First, you need some flour, some maybe pancake and waffle mix. Next, you need an egg, and third, you need a cup of milk. And fourth, you need a mixer. Now the next step is to add the eggs and half of the milk into the flour so you can mix it. Now we're going to add more milk so we can get the right consistency for our pancake. You have to stir really fast in order to actually try and mix it perfectly. Now we're going to use butter to add to the pan. After you add your favorite type of butter to the pan, you can start adding this into the pan so you can start making the pancakes. Now we're going to make the pancake. You have to add a bit of what we made from the other parts into the middle. If you can see these air bubbles coming out of the pancake, that means that it's starting to cook up. So it gets ready so you can flip it around. Flip the pancake, the other side will start cooking, so the pancake will be ready. Some people like to put toppings on their pancakes, but I like my pancakes plain. So to demonstrate, I'm gonna add some bananas to the sides. And finally, we have to add some syrup to finish our project. And done. After you finish all these steps, you can enjoy your own homemade pancakes.
Today we're gonna make a brownie. We're gonna need this brownie mix, some oil, 1 egg, butter, strawberries, and water. And we're also gonna need a whisk top, like a bowl, and a tray. Water in the bowl. Now we're gonna put the oil. And now we're gonna crack the eggs in the bowl to put it in. Mix. And now we're gonna mix it. Completely mix. We're gonna get some butter to put it in the tray so the brownie bakes better. Oh, tray is done with all the butter. I'm gonna preheat the oven at 350 degrees so it gets hot. And now we're gonna put the brownie mix inside the tray. It up. We're gonna put the brownie mix in the oven for like about 35 minutes, and then we will come back when it's done. Cut the brownie from the oven. I'm gonna cut the strawberry in half, and I'm gonna cut a piece of brownie and show you the final results. I finally cut the strawberries and the brownie. This is the final product, and this is what my sister did with like some Smarties and apples. It's finished until the last thing is done. So if you want to know what it is clean everything we use. Bye.
Hey, it's Chef Michael, and today I'm going to teach you how to make pico de gallo for your tortilla chips. Here I have all my pre-washed ingredients, so let's get right into it. First, I'm going to start with these onions. Your onions should look finely chopped like this. We're going to chop my favorite fruit of all time, which is tomatoes. So what you want to do is cut the tomatoes in 4 halves and take off the inside part, which is this. And what this is going to be what's in the dish, but finely chopped into pieces. This is cilantro, and what you have to do is take out all these leaves and then put them here, and then you have to cut them into little pieces like this. So here I have my cilantrillo, my tomatoes, and then my onion are down here. You have to mix them well, and then after you mix them well, we're gonna put lime juice here. So now I am going to add salt. I'm gonna about 2 times. And then for you guys who like pepper, you guys can add pepper. And now I'm gonna squeeze some lemon onto this. Now, after you have added the lemon, you wanna mix it. So finally, you just want to make sure if you like the taste, you like the amount of lemon and salt you put in. And if you do, you put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And finally, take a chip, dip it, and eat it. Hope you enjoy. My sister approves.
So I am Chef Derek, and I'm going to show you how to make a milkshake. These are your ingredients: ice cream, milk, and cinnamon. First, you're going to put 4 scoops of ice cream inside of the blender. Then you are going to put milk. And finally, you're going to put some cinnamon. And that is how you make a milkshake.
Good afternoon, my name is Chef Gonzalez and today I'll be baking a key lime pie. To make this pie, you only need a few ingredients, and those ingredients are 5 egg yolks, 1 14-ounce can of sweet condensed milk, 2/3 of a cup of key lime juice, and one ready-made 9-inch graham cracker pie crust. First, preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Secondly, whisk the yolks together in a bowl. Do not let them foam. And while stirring, slowly blend in the sweetened condensed and the key lime juice. Third, pour a mixture into the graham cracker pie crust. And bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until set. When this has passed, make sure it's set. If set, take out of the oven and put it on a wire rack. Now, let it cool on a wire rack until room temperature. Then, once it is at room temperature, chill covered until it is very cold. And that is how you make a key lime pie. Make sure to serve chilled.
Welcome to Andres Kitchen. I'm going to be showing you how to make banana bread. The ingredients are 1 3/4 cup of flour, 3 red bananas, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1/2 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of walnuts. First, mash the bananas. Combine it with the oil. Eggs, sugar, milk, and vanilla. Next, add the baking soda and the walnuts. Next, add the flour, baking soda, and the walnuts. For 2 to 3 minutes. Finally, pour into a greased loaf pan and bake in a preheated 325 degrees oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Now we're going to put it in the oven. Now allowed to cool and enjoy.